Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Decor Diary, where we promote new feature and fresh perspective in home decor and discover new ideas, tips, and DIY projects to transform your home into a beautiful heaven. Our goal is to help you see your home in a new light, so let's decor and inspire together. So my dear viewers, first of all, most important thing, subscribe my channel. For more decor inspiration, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Share your favorite kitchen decor idea in comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tutorials and inspiration. In this video, you will see such a beautiful and versatile and amazing kitchen decor inspiration hubs. Are you looking to transform your cooking space into a stunning heaven? So let's decor together. Discover how to enhance your kitchen functionality and aesthetic appeal with our expert tips. Learn how to choose the perfect color scheme, lighting features, and furniture to create a cozy look. Get inspired by DIY projects such as building a kitchen cart or creating statement backsplash. Explore our collection of kitchen decor ideas featuring styles, storage solution, beautiful countertop, and elegant light design. Find out how to incorporate texture, pattern, and accessories to add depth, personality to your kitchen. Are functional and fabulous. With our guidelines, you will able to create a kitchen that reflect your personality, boost your home value with stylish kitchen decor, and enjoy a space that perfect for cooking, entertaining, and making memories. Our kitchen decor ideas are perfect for anyone looking to refresh their space. We will show you how to maximize storage, optimize layout, and select decor that complement your lifestyle. From farmhouse checks to contemporary sleek, our ideas will help you achieve the kitchen of your dreams. So, in our video, you will see such a beautiful and amazing kitchen decoration ideas. With our kitchen decor ideas, you will learn how to create space that both beautiful and functional. We will show you how to select perfect cabinets, countertops, and flooring to match your style. Discover latest trend in kitchen design from statement lighting to bold color schemes. Get inspired from our collection of kitchen decor ideas featuring style and light and day creativity accessories. Learn how to incorporate plants, artwork, and other decorative elements. Add personality to your kitchen. Our ideas are designed to help you create a space that perfect for cooking, dining, and entertaining. Where you are busy professional or stay at home presents, our kitchen decor ideas will help you create space that functional, stylish, and safe. We'll show you how to optimize your kitchen layout, maximize storage and decor to your kitchen in a beautiful heaven and looking amazing. Kitchen decor is all about creating space that both functional, beautiful, start a neutral colors, petals, and add pop colors with accessories. Consider a bold of colors with accessory. Consider a bold of backsplash or a statement light fixture to add visual interest. Add some greenery like plants and vase with fresh herbs or brings our natural touch. Use decorative elements or wall art add personality to your kitchen. Think about the style you are doing for modern, traditional, or mix both. Choose furniture and decor that reflect your personal taste, and lifestyle. Don't forget about lighting, pendant light, and under cabinet lighting can add warmth and ambiance. Make it functional with storage, baskets, or shelves for your kitchen utensil and gadgets. Consider adding a kitchen or breakfast bar for extra counter space. Add some warmth with textile like rugs and many more things you can add about your taste. Use mix of pattern and texture to create layered look. Don't be afraid to experiment and try a new ideas. A kitchen should be a space where you feel comfortable and inspired to cook and create. Add some personal touches like family photos or other beautiful things. Which do you like most? Use a kitchen cart and utensils organizer to make essential within reach. Add some decorative incense and candles and many more things. A kitchen is not a just place cook. It's a space to connect with family and friends. Create kitchen that both functional and beautiful. You will love spending time there where you are busy, professional, or stay at home presence. A well designed kitchen can make all the difference, so don't afraid to get creative and make your kitchen a space that you will love of years to come. With a little bit of planning and imagination, you can create a kitchen that both functional and fabulous. So go ahead, inspire to make your kitchen space that all your own. Add some personality, add some styles, and makes it space that you love. Kitchen decor is all about creating space that both beautiful, functional. So, my dear viewers, we you can create a kitchen that perfect for your you and your family also. So my dear viewers, with this tip you can create kitchen that perfect for you and your family. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more home decor ideas. Share your thoughts in comments below and don't forget hit the notification bell. I love to hear about your favorite kitchen decor ideas. Subscribe now and join community. Like and comments and share with your friends family. Don't miss on further videos. Subscribe and stay tuned. Hit subscribe button, get notified about new videos. Thanks for support and your feedback. If you want more kitchen decor ideas, subscribe now. Subscribe and get inspired. Like my video also. Share my video also with your family, friends, and more social circle. Get creative with kitchen and decor, make its own. Share your favorite kitchen decor ideas in the comments. Don't forget to hit updated videos. So add statements, light fixtures, use a bold backsplash, incorporate different things, display decorative elements like vase and more beautiful things. Choose furniture decor. So my dear viewers, have a very wonderful day.